Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Servus. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video, we'll learn how to say I may in everyday Austrian German. In standard German, you'd say ich darf. But Austrians say it a little different, at least in spoken form. We need the word whenever it comes to permission. First of all, we take a look at some examples. Then we check out how to build it with the personal pronouns. And at the end of the video, we learn how to build questions with may in Austrian German dialect. So let's get started. Auf geht's! The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to use the word may in Austrian German dialect. In general, may means dürfen in standard German. We could also translate it as erlaubt sein. In Austrian dialects, you also come across dürfen oder dürfe, for instance. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. First example, ich darf das machen. I may do that, or I'm allowed to do that. Ich darf das machen. Second example, du darfst heute länger aufbleiben. You may stay up longer today. Du darfst heute länger aufbleiben. Example number 3. Ich darf heute länger schlafen. I'm allowed to sleep longer today. Ich darf heute länger schlafen. We've just seen how to say I may in Austrian German. Now it's time to learn how to use it with various pronouns. Ich darf, I may, ich darf, du darfst, you may, du darfst, sie, es darf, he, she, it may, sie, es darf, wir dürfen, we may, wir dürfen, es darf's, you may, es darf's, sie dürfen, they may, sie dürfen. As promised, we learn how to ask questions with may in Austrian German dialect. To ask a question, we start with the form of dürfen and add the personal pronoun. And furthermore, we continue with the object. Let's take a look at 3 examples. First, darf ich das probieren? May I try that? Darf ich das probieren? Example number 2. Darf ich aufs Klo gehen? May I go to the toilet? Darf ich aufs Klo gehen? Example number 3. Dürfen wir das Fenster zumachen? May we close the window? Dürfen wir das Fenster zumachen? I hope this tutorial helped you to learn how to say may in Austrian German. Just to remember, these forms are mainly used in spoken language. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the podcast How to Understand Austrians and other videos on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.